Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my first arts and crafts video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Making slime is really easy, and who doesn't want to make a slime that has great bubble pops and crunches and that's really thick, and you're probably going to have the ingredients at home. And this recipe does not include borax because borax is really bad for your hands and your skin, and borax is not available in a lot of countries. And I just wanted everyone to be able to make this recipe, and I wanted this recipe to be really safe. So here's a really easy recipe that's foolproof and it's super safe, and let's just not waste any more time and let's get started. So what you're going to need to make this awesome slime is about 4 ounces of any type of white glue of your choice, a bowl and a spoon to mix. You're going to need food coloring, which is totally optional, and laundry detergent. Get it in either the Tide or Arm & Hammer brand. You can also experiment using different laundry detergents and just add it to a little bit of glue, and you're just going to see if it works. You're going to know if it works when it pulls away from the side of the bowl and it just clumps up together. I'm going to be showing you what a slime looks like at the end of the video. And just pour all your glue into a bowl. And after it's all poured in, you can add your coloring. I'm going to be using blue and green food coloring. If you don't have any coloring and you're using colored laundry detergent, then your slime should get a nice tint, just a little bit of tint from the laundry detergent you're using. And you can also use paint and that will work totally fine too. So I'm going to be adding 2 drops of green and 2 drops of blue and mixing it together. And if you want to get a certain color, then you got to know which colors would look good together. And if you want to experiment and add all the colors you want, you can go for that too, because it'll be a surprise. You'll never know what the color will turn out until you finally finish mixing. I knew that it will be an aqua, but this totally exceeded my expectations. I love this color. It's so beautiful. I can't believe colored glue could look that beautiful. Really depends on what colors you're using. You could use pink, you can use yellow, you can use orange, you can use any type of colors you want. We did not have any yellow or orange. We just had blue, green, pink, and purple. So we decided that this is what we're gonna do. To be honest, it does kind of look like toothpaste, but in a beautiful way. Now you're gonna start adding your activator or your laundry detergent little by little until you get your desired texture. After it's starting to pull away from the sides of the bowl, you can start using your hands. It may make the surface you're using a little messy, but that's totally fine. And in the end, you should get an amazing slime. It's so pretty. And you're probably gonna have these ingredients at home, especially back to school when you have a lot of glue. And it's so pretty and it's so easy, and I can't wait for you guys to make it at home. Subscribe and like this video if you want to. It'd be great, and thank you. Bye.